Recently, I came across a set of videos that I found it interesting personally. So, hopefully, you guys can find it interesting as well, which are UFO footage videos. Yeah! A genuine, honest opinion from you guys. Do you think aliens are real? No judgment whatsoever, just an honest opinion. Is that what you guys think it is? Oh, now what you're gonna tell me that the earth is round as well? Get out of here. I actually came across this video which got leaked in 2019 or something, and it got really, got officially released very recently.
Tonight, newly released footage taken aboard a U.S. Navy ship showing what appears to be UFOs flying off the coast of California.
Yeah, that's right. Chelsea Edwards joins us live from Montrose.
I just got something. It's always America, isn't it? Like all weird shit always happens in America. Like why doesn't it happen the rest of the world? Ain't you man? No, did you see how shit that quality of the camera was? Of course it's shit.
Saying about this video, if this...
Oh my god, did you look at that? That looks like the most demonic smile ever. That's the smile a serial killer gives you before she or he's about to kill you. They always insinuate the idea that it's perfectly live, it's happening right outside. You know, we just have UFOs waiting on the line here, the UFOs there, say hi. I mean...
I mean, it's huge, right, Alex? This is part of a national conversation right now ahead of
They always also have this claim that, oh my god, it is the biggest thing we have received in the last 25 years. It's, oh my god. This is about the pinnacle of change. Like, at this point, you should understand that you're watching a news channel and they are supposed to hype up whatever they get, even if it is fake, even if it is not. But it is what it is, at the end of the day.
This recently leaked video taken by the U.S. Navy, a mysterious sphere appears to hover off the San Diego coast before disappearing into the ocean.
Splash. If this is true...
Now I'm going to completely tear down the video piece by piece. It is actually Iron Man. Yes, that's right. If you have seen the movie, you'll understand what I mean. I'm just kidding. It is actually not Iron Man. It is actually Superman. Open your goddamn eyes. Can't you see? Can't you see that it's Superman?
In this recently leaked video taken by the U.S. Navy, a mysterious sphere appears to hover off the San Diego coast before disappearing into the ocean.
Oh my god, it disappeared in the middle of the ocean. What? Come on. It is actually pretty interesting, the fact that this UFO moves so quickly from left to right, kind of defying physics, and then it just vanishes into the water. But I am not the kind of guy who has straight facts for everything, but I do like to give my opinion. So here's what I think it is. I'll try to explain it as easy as I can. In first glance, when you see this footage, it moves so quickly from left to right, which is probably not possible by, any human engineering that has been out until today. But if you look pretty closely, the UFO is actually not moving. It's the camera that moves from left to right, to keep this UFO thing in its radar. If you watch the waves, you'll understand that they are moving it. The camera is actually trying to readjust itself to keep that UFO in focus. The news agency claims it's from Navy, right? So they should have proper military grade equipment. So if you think about it, with their infrared camera that they have, this black UFO, as they claim it is, could actually just be a ball of heat, because the heat signatures are the ones that get caught in infrared cameras, right? So, and if you notice that it could literally be even a bird, it could be even anything, but it could also be an alien. Okay, it could also be anything for that matter. And if you notice closer, when just before the thing disappears, if you look right there, it blinks. This could literally mean anything, because me personally, I don't think it crashed into the ocean as the so-called Navy or even the news agency claims. Because if something, let's take this for example, it was just there on my desk. If something if something is supposed to sink, let's assume the end of this camera is the ocean, right? If it is gonna disappear, if there's gonna be if it's gonna fall right in, you see the rest half of it. Let's assume this emits light. So if this half of it goes, you can still see the rest half of it. But if it is a solid object, you'll not pretty much be able to say the difference. But if it comes to a light, it gets half cut and you can still go. It doesn't just disappear, which I don't know, which is kind of interesting, isn't it? You know, for all we know, it might have actually gone out of the range of these military grade equipments or these infrared cameras. It could have completely gone way out of range. That's why it blinked. It could be even that, or it could be anything. Oh no, sorry. It could be aliens. It could be UFOs. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. Hey, that doesn't mean we know exactly what it is. For all we know, it could be aliens. But I don't think it justifies the fact that all these news agencies or these government officials whoever released the footage claim it as interesting as it's supposed to be. It's actually not that interesting. You can clearly, tear it down. You can understand all these nuances and crannies. Am I saying that right? Another footage that I actually came across when I was going through, I don't know if you guys have experienced this, but when you are on YouTube, if you are spending a lot of time on YouTube, you end up seeing some weird shit, which was my face, which I wanted to record about it. But I actually came across this footage, which was I think it was like a pyramid, this sort of this triangle sort of thing that jets off.
In night vision video from a Navy destroyer, a mysterious flying triangle above the deck of the ship.
Hey, that's the video. There you go. And one more thing. Guess where it happened again? Again, you guys did right. It is America again. America, where all the weird shit happens. From all the way from Area 51 all the way to UFOs, which just come and go always. Whenever a UFO turns up, everyone's camera technology goes back about 3 decades. That sounds about right, actually. That every time, whenever they get across these sort of footage where they want to create some sort of a hype, always it's the most shittiest quality. It's like the worst Nokia phone. Wow, Iron Man is in winter. There you go. See, exactly, that is Iron Man, I'm telling you. It is, we have come to the conclusion it is Robert Downey Jr. who is creating these underground experiments. No, I'm just kidding. Coming back to this clip, comfortably enough, this light or this UFO is blinking, which is very similar to the way any aircraft or an commercial airplane blinks, when they have these indicators or whatever. And comfortably enough, this footage was captured under a flight route. If I'm not wrong, it was somewhere to California or from California, like a flight route which goes from somewhere to California. It was captured under there, so which was very convenient, right? Hey, I'm not concluding anything. It could be this giant alien spacecraft or what was it?
Upside down pyramid UFO.
Upside down UFO pyramid. It could be that. Okay, I'm not getting into any conclusions right now. Here is my theory as to why it could probably look like a triangle. If you guys have noticed, with the camera, with the movie quality camera, and if they are trying to focus on a light which is like very far away, and if you try to focus on it and your lens has this sort of a shape, it could be a triangle, it could be this hexagon, it could be anything, to create this sort of cinematic effect, when anything happens in the background, the cameras are in the front, or one camera tries to focus on the lights. Actually, wait, I can show you. See, you can look at that. Look how many UFOs. Oh my god. They are a triangle and they have some sort of a light, so it's gotta be a UFO, right? Oh my god, I just found out something. That video that Pentagon leaked of this UFO could be the Illuminati. I think it's fun, right, to entertain the idea of alien, and you get this really, cool footage of a UFO. I'm not here to burst anyone's bubble or step on anybody's dreams, but hey, just so you know, I'm waiting for Santa as well. So both of us are technically on the same page still. But what they always do, especially news agencies and medias and stuff, when they get this footage that is clearly false, and it sort of entertains or sort of backs up the fact that UFOs or aliens might exist, they end up giving a lot of videos which came released way back in the day, and just to sort of back up this false video. So when all these videos are being substantiated by the fact that it was released by Pentagon, it was released by some known source, that this false video, even though they clearly are very smart enough not to say if it is real or not, but when all these videos end up playing back to back, and then you come to this video, it is perceived to be true as well, which is the point of media at this point of time. That is exactly what the media is trying to do. Another video that I actually came across, I think this came 3-4 years back or something, and when I first saw it, I was really startled as to what the hell is this. The story that came along with this is actually pretty interesting because the people who recorded this were pilots, and they did come across this sort of thing which they didn't know what it was, and they were trying to lock it onto their camera. When this video came out first, people really did not buy this crap, but then when the government officially released it, people started losing their shit. Obviously when government releases something, it is formidable, isn't it? When you see this video, it looks as if this foreign object is traveling at a really high speed, right? It is traveling real fucking fast. But if you think about it, actually, the quick example that I can think of is, if you have traveled in train, if two trains are going side by side, when you are focused in one train, the object that goes right behind it, even if this is not traveling at the fastest speed, the background seems to be going really fast, which gives the sort of this optical illusion that this object is traveling at a really fast speed. It is actually funny because it looks like we are tricking ourselves when both these trains are going at not the highest speed, but then if you look at the platform or if you look at the things in the background, it makes look like these trains are going really fast. And also another thing that I really hate is the fact that all these news medias and government agencies and Pentagon are sort of insinuating the idea that aliens are roaming all over, they're keeping an eye on us, they can take us anywhere. Let me not even get into the BS that goes around Bermuda Triangle and how these people portray as to what happens in Bermuda. I mean, if you guys want a video on the Bermuda Triangle, you guys can let me know. Recently, I did come across this other video, which is actually a pretty good example to substantiate what I'm saying, is the fact that it actually happened in India and it happened in Jharkhand, where these two kids, I think these two boys, the story that they claim is these two boys, actually one of the friends' mom had actually passed because of COVID, and they had just finished the crematorium business, and they were on their way back. They found this weird thing which was walking through the street. They did apparently cross it, but they did take the executive decision of turning around and coming all the way back just to see what this thing was. I'll actually play the clip right now.
आज ये सवाल हम आपसे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं, इसका जवाब आपको जल्द ही मिल जाएगा। दरअसल झारखंड के हजारीबाग में एक ऐसा अजीबोगरीब घटनाक्रम हुआ जिसने वहां के लोगों के बीच दहशत फैला दी है।
At this point, a lot of news agencies, including Times of India and a lot of other news agencies, were covering this as to what the hell is this thing. If you see the way it walks, it doesn't genuinely seem human. But apparently, a news agency ended up cornering these people. Like not literally, they ended up like, what the hell is this? How did you film this type thing? And the boys ended up admitting the fact that they found this girl who was wearing really short dresses, and they wanted to film this girl, and they admitted it wasn't a ghost. So, which generally substantiates. I mean, if you are able to pick evidences for the videos that you put out there, you will be able to come into a pretty good conclusion as to what it really is. When all these UFO clips just randomly start spawning everywhere, you are sort of coerced into believing, oh my god, it could be UFO aliens or whatever. I mean, I feel you generally need evidence to back anything for that matter. This has been my thoughts about the UFO video that got leaked recently and the Jharkhand video that came out. And I really enjoyed making this video because it is one of those things that I find really interesting. Just to uncover what really happens. If you guys enjoyed this video, consider do subscribe. If you guys did like this video, do subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys real soon with my next video.